Hello, so I'm in my hotel room and I purchased this not too long ago in July, and today is September 5th, the day after Labor Day. This thing was working pretty good, but I'm going to show you how it isn't working now after 2 months of having it. And as a flight attendant, I like to have this because I'm in hotels a lot. So this is what the hotel has. I don't want to use that. I want to use what I recently purchased. I've only used this about 4 times. The few times that I did use it, it worked really well. Excuse me, I only have one hand. So I'll pour some water in here. It stopped working, but I'm just going to show you. So, but when it did work, it was great. Oh, I will insert the end. So I've got the plug inserted back here. And I will go ahead and plug this in to the outlet. This should light up. It's not going to light up. I don't know why. It just stopped working. Like I said, I've used this about 4 times, no problems. All of a sudden, it completely will not turn on at all. So, does it work? Well, it did, and it worked fine when it did. But out of nowhere, it doesn't. And there's no way for me to contact the seller. The return was done August 2nd, and I bought it July. So looks like I'm stuck with a product that no longer works, which is sad because it actually was really good for me to put in my lunchbox. Disappointed.
Good morning, guys. This is the butter. It's very lightweight and it doesn't take a long time to make your hot coffee, your tea, or your chocolate if you want to. So you just turn it on and that's it. Your coffee is gonna be ready in a few minutes. You can buy it for sure. It's good. Thank you.